Hello, my name is Tanya Henderson, and I'm going to talk to you today about Business Central personalizations. So, one of the really cool features in Business Central is to be able to personalize your homepage or entry screens without being a developer. So, it allows you to add fields onto the windows, move them, change your freeze pane areas, just a ton of different little features. And if you mess it all up, you can clear your personalization. So, let's head over to my desktop and we'll show you how it works. So what I'm on right now is my home page, and if I go to the right-hand corner of my home page, you'll see that I have a cog up there, and I'll have a personalization area. So if I click on personalize, you'll notice that there's a gray bar that appeared across the top. And if I hover over any of the sections in there, I will turn a pink box with a little pink arrow. So what I can do is I can click on that pink arrow, and here's where I could move or hide this, or of course clear the personalization. If I choose fields at the top, you'll notice that there's a gray box that will appear on the right-hand side. And so what that will allow you to do is it will allow you to see the fields that you can add to that section. If there's not any fields available in that particular section, it will be grayed out. So I'm going to go ahead and change to a different window. I'm going to go into the journal entry screen. So you'll notice when I click on that, I also have a run control click, which I can of course do on my keyboard. But what that will do is it will actually take me to that window. And that's a little bit of a newer feature in Business Central. But now if in this particular window, you can see off to the right that I have a ton of fields available. So if I wanted to grab one of those fields and drop it in, you'll notice that I have a little pink bar that appears. So I can just grab that, drop it in there, and now that's in my entry window. And of course, if I decide I didn't want it there, I can click on it and I can hide that. And what will happen is it will just appear back over in my right-hand side. If I want to grab a particular window that's in there, I can just click on it and drag it over. And then again, if I wanted to change that freeze pane in there too, I could change the freeze pane and that will move it to the right of whichever field that I've clicked on. If I exclude one from quick entry, what that will do is when I'm tabbing through my entry screen, it will actually exclude that field and jump right over it. So you wouldn't want to do that on the field that is obviously a very important field, but in some of those other fields that you may not need, but you want to see them, that's how you can exclude those from quick entry. And when you're finished, you would just click done in the right-hand corner, and then you'll go back to your entry screen as it was. So I hope you have learned something today. If you have any other things that you would like me to cover, just leave it in the comments section and I'd be happy to do so. Have a great day.